everybody, I'm Joey with Create with Joey, and I've got the cutest Christmas card class, actually 2 classes to show you, made with the Merriest Trees bundle from Stampin' Up. So let me show you the cards first. So these are all going to be a Christmas Stampin' Stack, so it's called the Merriest Trees Stampin' Stack. So I'm using the Merriest Trees bundle, and these are the cards I've designed. So I'm going to show you 4, and you make 2 of each of these. I'll just give you a little sneak peek. So I'm going to go through pretty fast. With this class, you also get a lot of products, about almost $30 worth of products to make more cards, other than the 8 that I cut and prepare for you. And you get a PDF tutorial, and of course all the envelopes, and then what else do I want to say? And some embellishment, some ribbon, some DSP, some just lots of products. And you'll get all that for just $40. If you need it shipped, it'll be another $9 to have it shipped. But then I'm also excited about, I have an add-on class too, using the same bundle. Now with that class, you're going to get this whole kit, which is the Christmas Everywhere kit. It's a brand new one from Stampin' Up. And I'll show you the cards in that kit too. And these do not, the camera doesn't do justice for these, because these have like little sparkles on them, red sparkles, and they're little twinkly. They're all twinkly. So these are the 3 cards. You get supplies for 3 each of these, so that's 9 cards. But I've also made 3 alternative cards with the same stamps in the Merriest Trees and the kit. So here's one alternative card. And of the alternative cards, you get 2 each of these 3. So those are the sneak peeks of the alternative cards. So for the add-on class, now that class is not available just to purchase on its own. It's only available as an add-on, and it's $33. So, and then if you need any of that shipped, that can all ship in one package for $9 if you need it shipped. So let me know. I will be sending this out to my email list, my newsletter friends, and it'll be in that. And then I'll put a link on this in the comments of this video of where you can see all the details and you can register for it. You need to register by October 3rd. And if you're watching this on YouTube, October 3rd of 2023. So that's when it's available. And I hope that you'll take a chance and join me for doing this class. You can find more details at createwithjoey.com and look under classes, and you'll find it there. All right, friends, let me know if you have any questions and if I can help you with anything. Take care. Bye-bye.